Welcome to trezstech. Today we're looking at the SimpliSafe Outdoor Wireless Security Camera. It's really a pretty neat product. It's battery powered, high definition, easy to mount, easy to set up. It's really easy to use. We'll do an unboxing and I'll show you all the pieces. Then we'll connect it to a live system, and then I'll show you some actual footage to give you an idea of what kind of resolution this camera has. It's pretty neat. With this camera, one of the basic requirements are you need to have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. You need a SimpliSafe Gen 3 system and Android or a iPhone to configure everything. If you want to have storage in the cloud, you do need to have a SimpliSafe subscription. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It comes in a very nice packaging. And I've unboxed this before, so it's kind of ragged here. But the camera is comes in 3 pieces. You have your magnetic mount, and then you pop the top off, and this is where the battery goes in. I'll go ahead and leave that apart. On the magnetic mount, let's get this thing done. You mount this to your wall, and then once it's connected, you just tighten it up, and then with the camera, it just pops on. Pretty cool. The other stuff comes with it. You get a getting started manual, super fancy. 1, 2, 3. You get a battery. I've destroyed this box opening it up before, but I thought I'd go through each step. The battery does have a outlet here, so you can connect it to a USB cable and charge it. The battery only goes in one way. You have your contacts here on the battery, and they align with the contacts here on the camera, so it just slides right in. Once it's in, you just twist it, and it turns on, and it's ready to program. I'll undo that right now. And then it comes with a charging cable. Another manual charging cable. Let's see if I can get it where you can see it. Charging cable, and then some anchors and screws. So you have everything you need to do to set it up. So our next step is to connect it to the SimpliSafe app, and then we'll mount it, and I'll show you some samples of what it looks like in my neighborhood. I have the SimpliSafe camera on a tripod here, just to keep it where we can see it. I'm going to twist it on. Here we go. I have a beep. We have the fast flashing light. So now I'm going to go into my SimpliSafe app on my phone. And I'm going to go to cameras, and I'm going to say I want to add a camera. I want to add a wireless outdoor camera. Yes. It's fully charged. And you'll see, is it flashing? So I'm going to press and release the button on the back of the camera. It says the camera has been added, and I'm going to call this custom name. Call it test camera. Now we're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So This camera does require that you have a 2.4 megahertz Wi-Fi for it to communicate with. So now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. Just going to check for updates. This really shouldn't take that long. I did the updates on this camera a while back, so the first time it may take 4 or 5 minutes for it to do an update. And then I'm going to check a live view here in the house. And let's see what it says. It shows that it's working. So next we're going to mount the camera. So now we will take it outside, and I'll show you some different views with the camera so you get an idea what kind of coverage it gets. It's a pretty good camera. We've mounted the camera on a tripod and taken it outside. We'll show you some video here, and you can hear what the microphone picks up. It's pretty cool.
Street, so get a good idea what kind of coverage we get.
Today, we were successful in connecting the SimpliSafe Outdoor Wireless Camera to the system. I showed you a sample video, and the next step is to get it mounted, and we'll be on our way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. I hope you have a great day.